If any of the curriculum or finance leads need changing, log in as an administrator. At the top of the dashboard page, press the Edit button in the bottom right corner of each contact. You'll then have the choice of which contact at the school you wish to add. If you need to set up their account first, press Manage Teachers in the left-hand menu. For extra guidance and support for new users, you can click Start Tour at the top of most pages in DE. This will guide you through many of the options. Alternatively, you can click View Help to watch the guide video related to that page. For the full guide video tour of the platform, follow the links provided.